Hello everybody, today I would like to share my successful forex trade. I sold a pair of dollar Japanese yen at 127.83. The sale was opened on the 26th of April. Yes, this day is not visible on this chart. As you can see, there was a long trade of about 130 yen for $1. I did everything right. I entered into the deal with a small lot, so I was not bothered by these movements. I was sure that the market will fall one way or another soon, and it will hit the dollar against the yen. When placing the order, I indicated take profit at the price of 126.40. When the price reached the level of 127.65, I closed the order. A day later, the price came to my target level on 126.40. A little funny. The reason for closing the order was a growing swap. I had eaten almost $85 of profit at that time. You know that the rates in the United States are now higher than in Japan. Therefore, by selling this pair, you start paying while holding an open position. Anyway, it was a good deal that brought me plus 1% for one transaction, for one order. When I opened this deal, I was guided by the indicators of two indicators, MACD and accumulation distribution. Both of them gave the signals to open an order. I have a question. Do you want a free lesson of this topic? If yes, open a demo account with a verified European broker. The link is in the description on this video. This broker sponsors free training. If you will open an account, demo or live account, write in the comments and I will add you to the private chat in Telegram where you can take this free lesson. Everything is simple and absolutely free. You will be able to make the same profitable trades. Okay guys, that's all for today. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, see you soon.